And say the word. Tree. Very good.
Well, I'm still sleeping, and the appointment we have to go to, and I'm still sleeping.
I don't know. We'll have to see. Okay, which one's next? Twins. Good job. Mm-hmm. Ooh, do you know the next one?
Whoa.
Is that your favorite? Broccoli. Not if I cut it up and put it inside of something. Good job. What's the next one? Show me what it is. Crib. Good job. That's a blender. Is it a blender? That's how Logan makes his smoothies, huh? Blender. And mommy. Okay, what's the next one? The next one's a clock. I'll get in just a second. You finish those and then I can get into the fridge.
Why is it always
Because it just does. What's that one? You have to show me the picture. Let me see it. Show me. Yep, you might be right. Sandwich. Sandwich.
There's only one more clip with
Oh no.
a lot more than
Okay.
one.
I have some more clips. I'll go get some. Good job. What's next?
Well,
Ooh.
last clip.
Okay. Just use it on that one, and then I'll get you some more. Which one's the next one? Plant? Is it a plant? Plant? Are you looking at the word? Plant? Good job.